Happy New Year, everybody. Brand new year starting out. We're excited. We do quite a bit of custom engine building here. And this just happens to be another one of our engines. This one is a 427 Windsor small block. Just got done making about 620 horsepower and over 600 foot-pounds of torque. Foundation's a dark block. It's got a full forged rotating assembly, AFR cylinder heads, Edelbrock intake, Phytech EFI fuel injection, MSD distributor, and what you want to finish it, all the goodies are in there. Again, we build nothing but custom quality engines. If there's something we can help with, give us a call at 1-800-267-3940. Thank you, and peace and God bless. Okay, Mark, we got your 69 Ford Mustang, 427 small block EFI engine on the dyno. We're going to fire it up. We got
620 horsepower.
Nice.
607 foot-pounds of torque.
607?
620 and 607 torque.
There we go, my friend. Beautiful motor.